Today we're starting our process of sanitizing our schools under the direction of our superintendent. We are moving forward starting today with our custodial staff moving through the schools using a Center for Disease Controlled virucidal product to spray down all of our touch point surfaces and areas to sanitize the schools. We may be cleaning some surfaces that may not be touched every day, but may be touched once a week. But the whole, the basis behind what we're doing here is sanitizing the schools. And so all services that come into contact, or children and staff that come into contact with these services are getting cleaned.
I wash my hands more than ever. I use hand sanitizer more than ever. I tell my staff, do not take these things lightly. You know, after you clean, take off your gloves, wash your hands, and after you wash your hands, we use hand sanitizer. There is two classes of coronavirus. One is with the SARS, and the other one is coronavirus, human coronavirus. We're using this product, it's called Avistat. It actually kills the coronavirus.
For the coronavirus type family, it has a 2-minute dwell time.
What we do, we spray the stuff, we let it sit for 2 minutes, and in 2 minutes it will kill any virus, and then we wipe it out.
These guys are our, I call it our viral fighting team. These are our frontline people that every day do this. And so they've come to work and having to deal with this type of adversity, realizing that they're probably coming into contact, possibly coming into contact with this situation. But we're following the correct personal protective measures. They're gloving up, they're using the product accordingly, and they're taking the precautions necessary to make sure our schools are sanitized.
We don't want kids, especially in elementary school, to freak out. Seeing us with gloves and masks and all that stuff, we don't want them to see that. We want them to know we're here to keep them safe, that they are in an environment that they can feel comfortable at all times. If we slack, it's going to be really heavy consequences, not only on us, in our families, but all the kids that we have in Manatee County. We are here to reassure them, once again, that this is a safe place for them to be.
The school district is taking this very serious, and that we have developed a plan that we believe will help deal with this issue. I want to assure them that we're doing all that we can to help on at least our part in the school system to prevent the spread of the coronavirus.
Join us at wemanatee.net.